The Prophet says, alayhi salatu wassalam, whoever does not give up false speech and acting upon it, and offensive speech and behavior, whoever does not give up these things, Allah has no need of his giving up his food and drink. Which means that we misunderstood the meaning of fasting Ramadan. The majority of Muslims only refrain from eating and drinking, and they think that this is fasting of Ramadan. No, it is far, far more than that. And this is why, if you fast Ramadan and you lie, if you fast Ramadan and you say obscene things, and you do things that Allah is not pleased with, then you have missed the whole point. The Prophet says, alayhi salatu wasalam, Allah the Almighty has no need of his giving up food and drink. What is it? So many people fast and they do not get any reward for that. But the majority of us, with the grace of Allah, the majority of Muslims who fast with honor, who let the guest in and giving him all the hospitality they can, they are the true believers, and they are the true Muslims. They are the ones who calculate and count the days and the hours and the minutes. They are happy and jubilant. So they're happy of this month coming in. But why the month of Ramadan is so special? What is so special about it? It's very simple. It is the month of mercy. It is the month of forgiveness. It is the month that Allah Azza wa Jal blessed it so that it would have and contain the greatest night of the whole year. It is Laylatul Qadr. Imagine one night in this month is better than 1,000 months.